Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best jewelry cleaner is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone who loves costume jewelry. Over time, these beautiful pieces can accumulate dirt, oils, and tarnish, losing their luster. But don't worry, in this video, we're diving deep into the world of costume jewelry cleaners, exploring the best options to keep your accessories sparkling and looking their absolute best, so you can shine without breaking the bank. Number 5. CONNOISSEURS Premium Jewelry Cleaner. Give your treasured jewelry the care it deserves. Our premium cleaner is specially formulated for gentle yet effective cleaning. We offer this cleaner in 3 sizes to suit your needs, whether you have a small collection or many pieces to clean. This formula is perfect for your most delicate pieces. It's gentle enough for everyday use. Keep your silver sparkling with our specialized silver cleaner. It removes tarnish and restores shine. Clean your delicate jewelry with confidence. This formula is designed for the most fragile pieces. Get the best value with our 9.6-ounce size. It's perfect for frequent use and keeps your jewelry looking its best. What we like. This cleaner offers options for fine, silver, or delicate jewelry, ensuring you have the right solution for your specific needs. It's a trusted brand, known for its quality and effectiveness. If you have a variety of jewelry pieces and want a reliable, versatile cleaner, you should consider this one. What people say. I fold my microfiber into about a 5 by 6 inches, making it bulky and soft, and I just open the gold cleaner and take out the tray and dab it one time on the microfiber, leaving a wet, damp circular shape of the product liquid on the microfiber. I then slowly run the chain entirely through it 3 to 4 times, and the chain is as good as brand new. Bought also the silver cleaner and very satisfied with both products. In seconds the jewelry is cleaned. Does its job perfectly. Fine jewelry cleaner seems perfectly safe for any fine metal, including sterling, and any non-porous, highly polished stone, including cubic zirconia. I didn't go above 20 seconds on anything, and only did 10 for questionable pieces. Nothing was damaged. Delicate cleaner seems safe for just about everything. I took a huge risk and plopped my $2,000 diamond gold opal ring in there for 10 seconds. Besides giving me anxiety, there is seemingly no damage done, and it did give the ring a wonderful new brilliance. Number 4. CONNOISSEURS Silver Cleaner. Give your silver jewelry the care it deserves. This cleaner is specially formulated to gently remove tarnish and restore shine. It's safe for use on a wide variety of silver pieces. Watch as it effortlessly removes years of accumulated tarnish. Simply dip, rinse, and dry. It's that easy to bring back the sparkle to your treasured silver. Before and after, you'll see the remarkable results. Your silver will look like new again. This generous 8-ounce bottle will keep your silver sparkling for a long time. Get yours today. CONNOISSEURS Silver Jewelry Cleaner. Trust the experts for the best care of your precious silver. What we like. This cleaner is specifically formulated for silver jewelry, targeting tarnish and restoring shine. It's easy to use, making it a convenient choice for regular maintenance. If you are looking to keep your silver jewelry looking its best with minimal effort, you should consider this one. What people say. Within seconds I had gleaming, beautiful jewelry that looked like I took hours polishing. I put my sterling jewelry into the little basket and, like it said, I dunked it in and left it for only 10 seconds, and no longer, and pulled it out, and OMG, everything was shiny and brand new looking. Every little crevice and tiniest places you could never polish with cream or a cloth was sparkling and bright and so silvery it astounded me. Number 3. Simple Shine Jewelry Cleaner. It's formulated to safely clean gold, platinum, silver, diamonds, and more. This cleaner is gentle yet effective on various materials. Bring back the sparkle to your rings in minutes. It's brilliant on diamonds, silver, and gold, and it's gentle on precious metals. It safely cleans soft stones, pearls, and all metal types. It breaks down buildup without damaging delicate pieces. It's ammonia-free and works like an ultrasonic cleaner without the machine. It's a great eco-friendly choice. It comes with a convenient dip tray. Simply dip your jewelry for up to 3 minutes, brush, and rinse for sparkling results. What we like. This gentle cleaner is safe for gold, silver, diamonds, and more, ensuring your precious pieces are well cared for. It's ammonia-free and easy to use, making it a safe and convenient choice. If you have a variety of jewelry types and want a gentle yet effective cleaner, you should consider this one. What people say. It reviews all types of jewelry. I usually let items sit overnight. My diamond ring sparkles like it's brand new when I soak it overnight. It's gentle enough to use every day, so a daily 2-minute soak and occasional light scrubbing with the brush, which is included, is plenty to keep it clean and sparkly. Sterling shines up beautifully, none of the stones set in silver were harmed, and lesser metals cleaned up too. I have a necklace with silver, brass, and onyx beads that I thought I would have to give up on because the brass was so badly tarnished and crusty, yet after multiple soaks, the necklace now looks good enough to wear and the onyx is undamaged. Number 2. Complete Jewelry Cleaning Kit. This kit has everything you need to clean your jewelry. It's perfect for rings, earrings, and more. It's designed to be gentle on even the most delicate pieces. Clean your precious metals and stones safely and effectively. The included brush helps to reach those hard-to-clean areas. Get sparkling results every time. Use the polishing cloth to give your jewelry an extra brilliant shine. It's the finishing touch for a perfect clean. It's safe to use on gold, silver, and diamonds. Clean all your favorite jewelry with confidence. This kit is made in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust in its effectiveness and durability. What we like. This kit provides a complete cleaning solution, including a brush and polishing cloth for a thorough clean. It's made in the USA, ensuring quality and reliability. If you are looking for an all-in-one solution to clean and maintain your jewelry, you should consider this one. What people say. Product worked as expected. It says to leave jewelry submerged for 2 minutes. I left mine for about an hour. I didn't want to ruin the entire jar of solution, so I poured some into a clear plastic cup. I used the included strain tool to lower and remove my jewelry from the solution. I knew the cage around my pearl was dirty, about 5 years old, but I didn't think it would be as bad as it was. I removed the pearl, then submerged the cage and chain, and another necklace and pendant. I pulled them out, and used a Kleenex to blot dry them. I later rubbed them on the polishing cloth. The solution in the plastic cup is disgusting. I'm glad I didn't put them directly in the jar. Now I still have clean and used solution for future cleanings. It cleaned my jewelry good after letting it soak for about 8 minutes. It gave my gold chain and cross a little shine, nothing to really brag about. As long as it gets the dirt and grime off, I'm okay with it. Easy to use. Comes with a brush and 2 different cleaning cloths. I like that it doesn't have much of a smell and definitely left my jewelry sparkling. I used it on white gold and diamond jewelry. I would recommend it. Number 1. Maui Jewelry Cleaner Kit. This complete kit makes cleaning your jewelry safe and easy. It's perfect for silver, gold, and diamonds, giving them a brilliant shine. It's a gentle yet effective formula, designed to safely clean most precious metals and stones. Just remember, it may not work on all types of jewelry. You get a generous 4.8-ounce bottle of cleaning solution, a convenient cleaning basket, a soft cleaning brush, and a polishing cloth. Everything you need for sparkling results. Simply place your jewelry in the basket, submerge it in the solution for 5 to 10 minutes, and then gently brush and polish. It's that simple. Watch as your jewelry is restored to its original brilliance. It's like getting a professional cleaning from the comfort of your home. We're so confident you'll love the results. We offer a 100% money-back guarantee. If you're not completely satisfied, simply return it for a full refund. While it works on most jewelry, it's not guaranteed to work on all types of silver, gold, or fake jewelry. Please refer to the product description for more details. What we like. This cleaner is safe for silver, gold, and diamonds, providing a versatile cleaning experience. It includes a basket and brush for easy use, and offers a money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. If you are looking for a cleaner with a guarantee and a simple cleaning process, you should consider this one. What people say. It makes sterling silver so insanely bright and shiny. Works well and the cloth is great for just polishing your jewelry. All were dingy looking, but not really dirty. All of it pretty much looks brand new. When the newest piece I cleaned today is 10+ years old, my mother's ring, everything else is at least 2 decades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.